There are 10 things you need to know before you hire any real estate agent. Not all real estate agents are the same. If you decide to seek the help of a real estate agent when selling or buying your home, you need some very good information before you make any moves. A real estate agent can cost or save you thousands of dollars. Picking an agent is one of those critical issues that can cost or save you thousands of dollars. There are very specific questions you should be asking to ensure that you get the best representation for your needs. Now, some agents may prefer that you don't ask these questions because the knowledge you will gain from their honest answers will give you a very good idea about what outcome you can expect from using that real estate agent. And let's face it, in real estate, as in life, not all things are created equal. Hiring a real estate agent is just like any other hiring process, with you on the boss's side of the desk. It's critical that you make the right decision about who will handle what is probably the single largest financial investment you will ever make. To learn more about the 10 questions to ask before you hire an agent, fill up the form on this website or call, email, or text me directly. We look forward to helping you with your next real estate transaction.